Hold baby in a modified burping position kind of high up on your chest, and then guide them into the pocket of the sling in that natural position that they assume. You can see my little one still enjoys having his knees up high next to his belly. And then I'm just going to pull any extra fabric towards the rings, so that way it's a lot easier for me to tighten through. Also make sure that you adjust across your back and shoulder, again, making it super comfortable for you. And then you'll want to tighten any extra fabric through the rings. And you can see that that bottom where the pocket is likes to give me a lot of grief. So just make sure to go slow when you're doing that and kind of keep it as straight as possible. And now I'm just going to double check that everything looks good, positioning looks good, and I'm going to bring any extra fabric again through the rings. I'm going to tighten across his neck just to provide some more support. And then I'm just going to make sure that everything looks good, that baby's head is directly above their bum in a straight line, that their body's making a nice little J shape, that their legs are in a nice comfortable position, and then their feet are underneath their bum, that they're able to kiss them easily, and that their airway is nice and open.